Schoology features a suite of different notifications that can help you stay up to date on your progress in your classes. Get updates and announcements from your teachers, find out about grades and feedback on completed activities, get reminders about overdue assignments, and much, much more. To set these up, log into Schoology and from your home page, find your name on the upper right-hand corner. Click the down arrow and go to Settings. At the Settings, look for the Notifications tab and select that. Under Notifications, you can see the different notifications that are available when actions occur that involve you. These notifications can be very helpful, so we recommend that you turn on as many of them as you think you'll need. Under Academic, you can be notified by email when a course update is posted. We strongly recommend you put that one on. Course comments on updates, assignments, or discussions, we would like you to turn that one on. Comments on your posts, good idea to have that one on. When new course content is created, by all means, turn that on. And it's also a good idea to check this one, when course materials are overdue. That way you'll get a reminder email when any of these things happen. You can also have an email sent to you when any school groups that you might be part of are updated in any of these ways. And also if you're a member of any public groups, most of you probably aren't. But there are some school updates which you should have on when there's a school update and a school update comment, not a bad idea. When you get personal messages through Schoology, or another user replies to a blog comment you posted, you should put those on as well. After you've made these changes, make sure to go down to the bottom and hit Save Changes, so that you'll receive these important notifications. Furthermore, over here on the right, you can have notifications sent to your phone via text message. All you have to do is put in your cell number. By default, it should say United States for your country, and then your carrier, you would just select whether you're Verizon, AT&T, or whatever your carrier happens to be, and you can go ahead and set mobile. This is safe. Schoology will not compromise your identity or sell your phone number. You will not receive spam from Schoology. So again, we strongly recommend that you turn on email and maybe even text notifications so that you can stay up to date on the things happening with your classes and your assignments in Schoology. If you have any questions, please contact your computer's teacher or the tech department.